Hello students, now this is your second section and now we are let us check a further topic. What I am told you, we are checking here the new topic of the regrouping a tense.
Hello students, this is your second session and now let's check a new topic, regroup the tense. What I am telling you, we are checking a new topic, a new session. Okay, so now is your new sessions and a new topic is a regroup the tense. Regrouping tense is new session. Okay, so let's check the example. First example is what here for us. So first example is here. There were 273 students from the primary session who participated in a sports day. Who participated in a sports day. There were 342 students more than that who participated from secondary school. How many students participated from the secondary session? Secondary sessions. So let's check what is the question. There were 370 students from the primary sessions who participated in a sports day. There were 342 students more than that who participate from a secondary school. How many students participate from the secondary school? So how many students? Now we are check here the both sessions, primary sessions and secondary sessions. So how many students are participate from the secondary sessions? Where we are finding here. Okay. So now question is what here for us? So question is here from a student 273 is a primary students. Okay, and students 273, 342 are a secondary. Okay, so we are finding here. And first of all, which step is we are doing step 1? Step 1. 273, 342. So first of all, we are add here the ones. 3 plus 2, 5. 5. And for that step number 2. 273 plus 342. So 3 plus 2, 5 as it is, and 7 plus 4, 11. It's what we are adding, what we are doing in second step add the tens, and last step add a hundreds to 7, 3, 3, 4, 2. Okay, so 3 plus 2, 5. 7 plus 4, 11. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is 615 students from the secondary sessions. What? The answer is what? 200. There were first of all we write there were 615 students from the secondary session. Secondary, there were 615 students from the secondary sessions. Okay, it's your first example. Now let's check a next example. So next example is what for you? It's directly your second question. Second example is your 375 plus 552. Okay, so 375 plus 552. So let's recheck here. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. And 3 plus 5, 8 plus 9. So we are first, it's your direct answer. But what we are doing first step, we are do the step 1, 375 plus 552. So 5 plus 2, 7. It's adding a 1. Step 2, 375, 5, 5, 2. Adding a 10, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, and step 3, 375, sorry, 375 plus 5, 5, 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Plus 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, it's your final answer. So now my answer is 927. Directly we are doing this. No need to doing a one step. Okay, but they explain and they telling you, they ask you write all step. First of all, we add a 1, we add a 10, then add a 100. So that's why we are write as a full 3 steps. Okay, so now students, let's see the exercise. Okay, we are see the exercise, but in first of all we are solve the problem. We have some challenging addition problems. So let's check the problems of addition. So I am writing here the full question. Question number 1. Question number 1 is your Ashwin had 612 stamps. His friend Arun had 329 stamps. How many stamps did they have together? Okay, so students, okay, now Ashwin had how many stamps? So we write the answer as like that. Ashwin had 612 stamps and Arun had 329 stamps. Okay, so now we are adding both digits. 9 plus 2, 11. See, now I am doing in other place. 6, 1, 2, 3, 2, 9. So 9 plus 2, 11. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. 4, 6 plus 3, 9. So answer is what here? 9 over. So Ashwin and Arun had, I am writing here, Ashwin and Arun had 941 stamps to get. Ashwin and Arun had a 971 steps together. Okay, it's our answer. Now let's check our second question. So let's check the second example. Pallavi sold Pallavi sold 226 tickets for the school set. Her sister Purvi, sold 92 tickets. More than her. So how many tickets did Purvi sell? Okay, so what is the difference and what is the questions? We first of all we learn the question and explanation. Okay, Pallavi sold means a sold, a past form of the sold. What is the past form of the sold? 226 tickets for the school fat. Her sister Purvi sold 192 tickets more than her. How many tickets did Purvi sell? So now let's check here the answer. Okay. So what is the answer is here? We are checking first of all we write the full method. So we check here the answer. Okay. Pallavi sold 226 tickets and her sister Purvi sold 192 tickets. Okay, but tickets more than her. Okay, more than her sister. It means what? Pallavi sold only 226, but Purvi sold 226 already he sold, and more than Pallavi he sold 192. So what we are doing? We are doing here addition. 226 plus 192. So 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 2 11. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. The answer is 480. So now how can we write the answer? How many tickets did Purvi sell? So we write Purvi sell 418 tickets sell to. Okay, it's our answer. Understood, all students? Now move on question number 3. Okay, question number third is for us. Hashif have some cells. Question number 3. Hashif had some cells. He give 46 to his brother. He now has 125 cells left with him. How many cells he did? How many cells did he have before he gave anywhere? He have give any away. So our answer is, how can we write our answer? Okay, read, all students read the, first of all what we are reading here, we are reading the question and learn the question, and anyhow we understand the question. Okay, Asif had some cells means a box type of cells. He have a 46 to his brother. Okay, he give how many cells? Okay, here some means no, clarify, some means 100, 200, 15, 20, 13 as like that. Okay, so Asif had some cells, he give a 46, means up to 46 he had already, so he gave a 46 to his brother. He now has a 125 cells left with him. So how many cells did he have give anywhere? So now what we are doing, 46 plus 226 126 plus 46, we are doing the additions. Okay, so let's first of all we write the all things. Asif had some cells, he give 46 to his brother and he has left 125. He has left 125. He give. Okay. So now let's we extract the 46 plus 125. So our answer is what here? 6 plus 5 plus 5. 10 plus 1, 11. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7 and 1 as it. Okay. But now how can we write the answer? We can write the answer as like that. But we check the first question. How many cells did he have give anyway? So he had, he means who here? Asif. Asif have 171 cells. We have 171 cells. Okay, it's our answer. It's your problems, all students. So anyhow we understood the problems. Anyhow we checked our problems. Okay. Now today, students, I am give a brief and what we are learned today. First of all, students, we are learn the what used these additions to. Okay, and what we are learning this topic problems. Okay, then we are regrouping. But which digit regrouping? We are regrouping the all things. First of all, ones related to the first chapter, ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, so then after new topic is what we are learn today. We are learn today a new topic of for the new topic is a 3-digit regrouping. Okay, in 3-digit regrouping we are learn step. How many steps we are learn? 3 steps. First step is what? First step is what? Add a ones and a regroup. Then second step add the tens, and third step is add a 100. Okay, same topic of the further, but regrouping tens, no regrouping ones. Directly we are regrouping the tens and hundreds. And today we are most probably we are learn the most of the problems, because of problem is very important, and anyhow we are break the problems. I hope you are understood all students. And then a new topic. New topic is what is a new topic? 3-digit addition with regrouping, regrouping the tens, and some problems. Means how many problems we are learned today? 5 to 6 problems. But in the last session and the last 3 problems we are learned. First of all, which problems we are learned? First of all, we are problems on Ashwin and Arun. Then after Pallavi and Purvi, and then after third one is Ashish. Had some. Okay, so these are 3 problems you have a write in your rough book 2 times. How many times? 2 times. The one problem is what? Arun and Ashwin. Second Purvi and Pallavi, and third problem is Ashish. Okay, those are 3 problems you are write in your rough book 2 times. Okay, I hope you are understood betterly. And for the students, we are going to learn the exercise. Okay, so tomorrow I am going to teach you a new topic, exercise. Okay, to related to today all session and today's all topic. Okay, so students, I'll give you today exam exercise, and I'll teach you exercise number second A. Okay, means second A. Second A exercise related to the all today's topic, problems, regrouping ones, regrouping tens, regrouping hundreds, and a mixed problems. Okay, means a practice. I hope you are understood all students betterly. Then further we are going to the subtraction. Okay, so I hope you are understood betterly all students. Thank you.